and this one by far is my favorite. Hi and welcome back to my channel about metal smithing and jewelry making. Today I have 3 awesome storage ideas to show you to safely store your finished jewelry. Let's jump right in. The first box is this very handy little box that I purchased a few years ago in a Tiger shop, and it has many compartments inside. It was one of my first boxes that I've used to store my jewelry, and this one I actually used it for many years before, but I outgrew it, so I mostly use it to store my rings now, or when I'm traveling, when I need to take it with me, because you can take just one compartment with the lid and you can take it with you on the go, and I find it so useful, so I use it mostly for transportation now. And this one by far is my favorite, and I love how jewelry inside is sorted so neatly and so easily accessible. This one is my favorite now and I use it constantly. I love how you can see inside, and these little dots at the bottom help to keep the bags in place. Everything is so neatly stored. You can organize it any way you like, and there's plenty of space, even though the box itself is rather small. I'm sure you can see why I like it so much. It's just very efficient, and you can move it and put it wherever you like. Then we have these albums, and honestly these are so great because these help you sort your jewelry in such an easy way. You can see everything that you have all at once, flip through it, and also it doesn't take a lot of space. Let's have some nice ASMR while organizing jewelry inside of these albums. Last but not least, you probably noticed these bags in the video. I've purchased new type, which is much sturdier than the ones I've used before. While I am happy to recycle these plastic zip bags that arrive with orders and stuff, for my jewelry I wanted to get something a bit more solid, and these are excellent. They are quite thick, the zip is good, and they don't seem like they will break easily or anytime soon. So while it is some extra plastic, I am happy because I know they will last me a very long time. I would love to hear what you use for storing your finished jewelry in the comments below, and thank you so much for tuning in today, for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed these ideas. Let me know if you're going to try any of them. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!